Dinner recipes for weight loss. 1. Grilled chicken and vegetable skews. Ingredients: 1 pound chicken breast, cut into cubes. 1 red bell pepper, cut into chunks. 1 green bell pepper, cut into chunks. 1 zucchini, sliced. 1 onion, cut into chunks. 1 tsp olive oil. 1 tsp garlic powder. 1 tsp Italian seasoning. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, mix together olive oil, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. 2. Thread chicken and vegetables onto skews. 3. Brush the marinade over the skews. 4. Heat a grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. 5. Grill the skews for about 10–12 minutes, turning occasionally until chicken is cooked through and vegetables are tender. 2. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets. 1 pound asparagus, trimmed. 2 bell peppers, sliced. 1 red onion, sliced. 1 tsp olive oil. 1 tsp garlic powder. 1 tsp dried thyme. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F. 2. Place the salmon fillets on a lined baking sheet. 3. In a separate bowl, mix together olive oil, garlic powder, thyme, salt and pepper. 4. Brush the mixture over the salmon fillets. 5. Arrange the asparagus, bell peppers, and red onion around the salmon on the baking sheet. 6. Drizzle with any remaining marinade. 7. Bake for 15–20 minutes until salmon is cooked through and vegetables are tender. 3. Quinoa and black bean stuffed bell peppers. Ingredients: 4 bell peppers. 1 cup cooked quinoa. 1 cup black beans, drained and rinsed. 1 cup corn. 1 can diced tomatoes. 1 tsp cumin. 1 tsp chili powder. Salt and pepper to taste. A half cup shredded cheddar cheese optional. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F. 2. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds and ribs. 3. In a large bowl, mix together cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, cumin, chili powder, salt and pepper. 4. Stuff the mixture into the bell peppers and place them in a baking dish. 5. If desired, sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese on top of the stuffed peppers. 6. Bake for 25–30 minutes until peppers are tender and filling is heated through. 4. Zucchini noodles with turkey meatballs. Ingredients: for 5 medium zucchini. 1 pound lean ground turkey. 1/4 cup breadcrumbs. Can use gluten-free breadcrumbs. 1 egg. 1 tsp garlic powder. 1 tsp dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 jar marinara sauce. Instructions: 1. Using a spiralizer, create zucchini noodles. 2. In a large bowl, mix together ground turkey, breadcrumbs, egg, garlic powder, oregano, salt and pepper. 3. Roll the mixture into meatballs. 4. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add the meatballs. 5. Cook for about 10 minutes, turning occasionally until meatballs are cooked through. 6. Pour marinara sauce over the meatballs and let simmer for a few minutes. 7. In a separate pan, soak the zucchini noodles for a few minutes until slightly softened. 8. Serve the meatballs and sauce over the zucchini noodles.